Using the example of a price chart, which the marked fractals, you can see the fractals A, B, and C are located in a narrow price range. This indicates the importance of this area, which initially acted as a support area, but after its breakdown, and as a result, fixing quotes under it, this area already performs the role of resistance, keeping the price from resuming growth. In fact, this level is a mirror level, and as a result, after the support level formed by two fractals was broken, the appearance of an up fractal near this level indicates the inability of the price to resume growth, especially if at this moment the market is dominated by sellers, that is, the trend is downward. As a result, we get a trading signal indicating the ability of a price to continue to decline within the main trend, despite the fact that the risks of this trading signal are limited. Next, I'll show you a few examples of how you can use fractals to determine whether there is an important support or resistance area. First of all, the trader needs to determine the direction of the trend. If the trend, as in this case, is upward, then the trader needs to open only long trading positions, that is, consider only buy signals. As a result, an uptrend, you need to find an important area, support area, that is formed by at least two fractals on a large time period, not lower than the hourly one, but better than the 4-hour time frame. And after the support area is formed, the trader receives a trading signal that allows to open a trading position on the trend. Specifically, entering the market is appropriate in the area of support. As a result, a protective order is placed under the lowest fractal. The goal is determined depending on the trader's trading strategy and the price's power reserve. But the distance to the take profit order cannot be less than 3 distances to the stop loss order. This is the basic criterion of risk management. This completes the first lesson. In it, I told you not only what fractals are, but also how a trader can use them to get a high quality trading signal. In the next video lesson, I will talk about what a moving average is and how you can use these indicators to get trading signals.